Hey guys, welcome back to another video on how to move your media to an external hard drive. So obviously I've got my hard drive plugged in already. So what I want to do now is I just want to copy some of my gameplay to my external hard drive. So on your home screen you'll just find media gallery. Click on that. On the left hand side you'll see it says select multiple. I'm going to select all at this stage. So I'm going to select all. Then you're going to click on the three dots at the bottom, click on that, copy to USB drive. So let's do that quickly. Right, I just paused it and unpaused it now. It took about a minute or so. So you just click OK. And then what I like to do is, I don't want to keep it on my console. So now that I know it's moved, I just select all again. And then I just delete those. So then I know which ones I've transferred. And then I can just continue going forward. So just a last thing, remember to always switch off your console before you unplug the hard drive, otherwise you might corrupt it. And then what hard drive am I using? I just use a normal 2 terabyte external hard drive which has been formatted for media content. Okay, thanks guys, I'll see you in the next one, and have a lucky day. Cheers.